Hi, I'm Monica from Oma's Place, and today I'd like to show you how to do a hand stitch called slip stitch. Some of our projects are best finished with a hand sewn slip stitch, and maybe you're intimidated by just hearing the word hand sewn. Well, let me show you just how easy it is to do. So here I am. I have two pieces of fabric. One I just folded over, and the other one, and it's just a plain single fabric. I'm going to try and stitch it together along this edge. A lot of times our projects might require you to close an opening in the back, and that would look something like this. Or it may require you to finish a faux binding along the edge here. If you look closely, you can really hardly tell that it's hand stitched, and that's what a slip stitch will do for you. It will just be a very nice clean finish. All right, so here I'm using a contrasting thread, so hopefully you will be able to see. You will need a knot at the end of your thread. Single thread is fine for a slip stitch, and you want to hide that knot underneath. So what you do is you come in here from the back and just go to the fold edge right there. Come out there, and the knot will be hidden underneath. All right, so what you do, the pattern you will do is you will come from off the edge here of the fold, and we'll take a stitch into the opposing fabric, the opposite fabric. You go right down there, and then you tunnel under about 1/4 of an inch and pick it up with your needle. Can you see that? Okay, then you pull through, if you can, and you come up right across from there and just grab just a little bite out of the fold edge there. Okay, come down exactly opposite from where you came up and tunnel down again about 1/4 of an inch and grab the edge of the fold. Go across from there, tunnel under about 1/4 of an inch, and come up and grab the edge of the fold. Again, exactly opposite from where you had come up. Go down, tunnel underneath, and grab a little bit of the edge. Can you see that? Okay. I go across from where I came up, tunnel underneath for 1/4 of an inch, and grab the edge. I'm using black, and you can hardly see it. That is the beauty of this stitch. You again go down from where you came up, tunnel under 1/4 of an inch, grab the edge of the fold, and pull it through. One more time, down from there directly opposite, tunnel underneath about 1/4 of an inch, and come up at the edge. And you just continue along the edge all the way like that. When you do this, again on my banner here, it comes out really nice and looks machine stitched. Very easy to do. I hope you will give it a try, and that you will enjoy your project with this finished edge on it. Thank you for watching.